Hello, everyone, and welcome to Fearless Fridays. My name is Dr. Benjamin Ritter. I'm a leadership and career coach that guides leaders to create a career they can love, be proactive in their careers, and actually start feeling like they're doing something that is meaningful. So if you feel stuck, if you don't feel like you are the leader that you know you can be, if you're ready to take control of your career, if that's to finally start that business that you've been wanting to start, if it's to get the promotion that you've been really deserving now for a while, if it's to get career clarity, to finally know what's next, send me a message. Let's have a conversation. We have solutions. So often I work with leaders who are frustrated with themselves and their direct reports. Things are not getting done. There are priorities that progress is just not being made. Now, we can talk about the fear or the roadblocks or whatever. We can get into all that nitty gritty, but what's really important, and this tends to be missed, and this is why I'm talking about this right now, it's really important to set a timeline and due dates. Seems really simple, but if your goal doesn't have an end date, and it doesn't have milestones to reach that end date, that goal is probably not getting done. Or it's at least not getting done in the time frame that you want it to be. So how, as a leader, or even as a self-leader, are you ensuring that you're making the progress you need to make towards the goals that you care about? If there's not an end date, if there's not milestones, is it really that important? So take a look at your goals. For the people that might work for you, for yourself, maybe even help some friends, and see if you can put some end dates and some milestones along with them. I promise you, this is going to help you actually make some progress and understand what really needs to get done. So hopefully this helps you live a little bit more for yourself, leads to some action and progress, and I'd love to hear from you. So if you do this, send me a little message. You message me on LinkedIn, Dr. Benjamin Ritter, send me an email, benjaminritter@LFY Consulting, because I love hearing stories about people truly living for themselves.